Let us discuss about some activities on our sun, which is very hot. As we already discussed, the temperature of inner core of sun is approximately 10 to the power 7 degrees centigrade, which is extremely high. So we can say sun is very hot, and this hotness is because of huge amount of energy produced in sun because of nuclear fusion reactions by which hydrogen gets converted into helium, and it produces huge amount of energy which is radiated from the outer surface of sun. Based on these nuclear reaction and radiation of energy, there are some important facts related to the surface of sun which we can write one by one. The very first point which we need to understand are solar flares. Here you can see this picture of a solar flare, and about these solar flares we can write these are sudden brightenings observed at sun surface due to sudden release of high energy by sun. If in some zones of sun one sudden nuclear fusion reaction take place, then huge amount of energy is suddenly released by sun from its surface, which results in such kind of solar flares. Another important phenomena which is generally seen on the surface of sun are sunspots. Here you can see the pictures of sunspot in the sun, which are some dark spots or dark regions seen in the solar disk. About the sunspots, here we write due to low temperature in some regions on sun. These regions, these are seen as black spots called sunspots. So these spots which we can see in the solar disk are those low temperature regions on sun where relatively less amount of energy is being produced, or from these regions less amount of heat and light radiations are taking place from the surface of sun. So these spots are having relatively low temperature, and their temperature is approximately observed to be 4500 Kelvin, and it is also observed that these regions have very high magnetic activities. It is seen that in the regions close to these sunspots, very high magnetic activities are observed. Practically we cannot get close to the sun, but from these regions the radiation coming is observed to be producing various kind of high intense magnetic activities. So these are the two phenomena which we use understand the surface of sun, how the energy is produced and how it is distributed on the surface of sun for radiation.